it's Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to do a one brand makeup tutorial, which is one of my favorite brand and also affordable. It is Nykaa Cosmetics, and this is not a first impression video because I had already used all these products before a long time. So I know about these products very well. So I will truly recommend you which products good or bad. So if you are interested to know about this product and also want to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. First I am starting with my eye makeup. So I am using Nykaa powder foundation as my eye base and my shade is 04 Sweet Caramel. Next I am using Nykaa sponge and blending it with my eye base by this sponge. Next I am using Johnson's Baby powder to set my eye base. I don't have any compact powder from Nykaa, so I use this. Next I am using Nykaa Smoking Hot eyeshadow palette and taking this brown shade and I am going to apply it on my full eyelid. This eyeshadow palette is not too good, not too bad, but it gets the job done, so you can try it out. Okay, next I am using the same shade on my lower lash line. Next I am using blue kajal on my lower lash line and in the shade Blue Hats. Next I am using Nykaa gel liner and I am going to draw very small wing line and also applying it on my waterline. Alright, moving on to my face. I am going to clean my face with wet wipes. Next I am using Nykaa Apricot Cold Pressed Oil to moisturize and hydrate my skin. Next I am using Nykaa primer. This is really nice primer, guys. When you apply this primer, your skin becomes so hydrated and also smooth. This is my new favorite primer. Next I am using Nykaa Skin Genius foundation and my shade is beige, and this foundation is pretty good. If you like sheer to medium coverage, then you guys will love this product. Next I am using Nykaa powder foundation as my concealer. This is actually 3-in-1 product. You can use as a foundation, compact and also use as a concealer. So this is really amazing product. All the links of these products I will be providing in the description box, so you can check it out there and directly purchase these products yourself. Next I am using Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek Color as my blusher in the shade Lily. Now back to my eye again, and I am using blue kajal again on my lower lash line. Next I am taking this white shimmer shade from Smoking Hot palette and highlight my brow bone and inner corner of my eye. Next I am using Nykaa false lashes. Next I am going to use Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter and my shade is Moonshine. And lastly I am using Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Mona Lisa. And here is my final look, guys. So smoky nude kind of look. I really like it. And I hope you guys would also like this look. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, first of all, let me tell you guys, all these products are really amazing and I personally like all these Nykaa Cosmetics products because they are paraben free, cruelty free, dermatology tested and also vegan. So this is the very great thing. Anyways, my top 6 favorite Nykaa products among all this collection which I would recommend it to you guys to try out. So first product, Nykaa cold pressed oil, and second Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This is really good, must have. And third product, this highlighter. This highlighter is, oh my god, it's bomb and so good that it can directly compete any other expensive highlighters. So you guys must try it. Next product is Nykaa gel liner. This is really nice. And last two product is Nykaa ultra matte lipstick and Nykaa molten matte lip and cheek color. So this product you can use as your lipstick and also you can use as a blusher. So this product has multi-user. And this is the Nykaa ultra matte lipstick. This is very nice lipstick, very nice formula. It is so matte and I really love this lipstick. And I have already reviewed this product before, so you can check it out here. So yeah, that is all about this video and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this makeup look. And if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow my Instagram page if you guys personally like me. So yeah, I will be back in my next video very soon. Take care and love you guys. Bye bye.